ability to write well is a vital life skill. Carrie and Emily are here to show us their subscription box that helps children learn how to write. I'm so excited for both of you to be here. Great to see you.
Aw, thank you for having us.
Of course, this is so cool. Okay, tell us about your mission to help parents raise confident writers.
Oh, we just want to give children tons of writing experiences that are positive, not make it hard on the parents to feel all this stress and pressure. We have tons of experience on how to do this in a really fun and playful way.
Yeah, we want to make it fun. Okay, Carrie, let's talk about the subscription box that's current right now. And the theme is fresh living. This is so awesome.
Well, we created a box. It's called the Breaking News. And it's all about writing for the news. So children are invited. Every box, they have a different mission. So the mission for this box is to create a little family newspaper where they write their own like family stories, or they can interview. We have a whiteboard where they can like take notes. We always try with every box to make it really playful and really fun and help them to like enter writing in like a different way than maybe they've thought of before.
Oh, this is so fun. And there's the microphone.
We have a little microphone so they can like play reporter. We have the press pass that they can make official, put their name on it, put a little picture.
So cute.
We heard that these are like the official like reporter's notebooks.
Yes, they are.
Tried to make it like super real and for you know, for what it is.
And let's open the box too so people can see inside. So this is what it'll look like.
So when they get the box, it looks like this.
Look at how adorable you two.
It comes with a writer's guide, and the writer's guide has the focus lesson. It has a club. It has a play break. It's just a fun way. Hopefully, like just a different way to look at writing than they've looked at before, and it makes it very playful.
And let's talk about the QR code too. This is so cool.
Sure. So the QR code, we have a couple of QR codes on our guide this time, and the one QR code is actually a little.
Does it give a tour?
It gives a tour of the studio. There's a little practice interview. And the tour has, I guess you have a fishbowl, like your green room is like a fishbowl.
Yes, we do. There's like, there's a fish on the wall.
So they can eat Swedish fish and they can watch the fishbowl tour, the studio tour.
Amazing. Okay, and you guys have a cool writing camp. Tell us about that too.
We're going into our 15th summer, and we host it at Westminster College. And so we just run classrooms there, and we invite children to write with us for 5 days. We also hire high school and college age kids who absolutely love to write and pass on their passion to these little guys.
And then you're giving away a seat too, right?
Oh, we are. So in order to give away a seat, you have to be watching Fresh Living today to know about this. And you just have to DM us, Fresh Living, My Child Loves to Write. And you have a choice. You can either choose, if your name is drawn in the drawing, you can choose either a writer's box, or if your child has time to attend camp the week of June 13th, your child is welcome to join us.
This is such a fantastic idea. Where can we sign up, Carrie, and get a subscription right now?
So it's writeonworkshops.com, and we could send you the breaking news box right away. And also on the same site is where you sign up for summer camp.
Amazing.
So it's all right there.
Okay, thank you both for being here. Emily and Carrie, great to see you. Such a cute idea.
So fun.
Thanks for featuring Fresh Living too. It's very cool.
So
Thanks,
fun.
you guys.
Thank you.
Looking